So today we'll take a look at how you can put a slide/push transition into your video in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. We have a video here on our timeline that we're going to demonstrate this on. All we're just going to make a cut for where we want our transition to be. So there's our cut. Then all we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to our effects panel. Here's our effects panel. If you do not have the effects panel, you want to go up to the top to window and you want to just turn on your effects panel. Then when we're in effects, we want to go to video transitions. We want to go to slide, which is a little bit further down. Then when we're in slide, we want to use push. And we're going to drag this from here. I'm going to simply drag it onto the end of our clip. As you can see, it's trying to decide where we want to put it. We want to put it about here. So when we play our video back, it'll slowly push over onto the other one. And if you really want, you can change the duration of this. All you want to do is just click this little grey box, the transition that we put on the clip. Simply click that and we can change the duration up here. If we want to make it a bit longer, we can make it longer. As you'll see now, it'll slowly move over if that's the effect you want to achieve, or if you want it quicker. But thanks for watching, guys. That's how you do a slide/push transition in Premiere Pro. See you next time.